nurses and doctors, and frontline workers. Keep washing your hands and faces to reduce bacteria and viruses spread, which is good. Swiss Precision, in conjunction with the CDC guidelines, is being proactive against the fight and spread of health-associated infections, HAIs, in PPE apparel that are worn or used in hospitals and medical facilities. But what about your medical scrubs and uniforms? How are they protected from bacteria and viruses floating in the air freely? Well, we have the answer. Introducing Copper Plus Organic Materials by Swiss Precision, the world's first medical scrubs and uniforms made out of organic materials like cotton and copper. The materials are blended at the embedded DNA yarn level that are not infused or sprayed on like the materials of our competition. That's right, we designed medical scrubs or uniforms with a shielded copper cotton blend that can be placed into any colorway. Enjoy the comfort and protection at the same time with our products by Swiss Precision.
We've completed our manufacturing, logistics, and supply chain partnerships, held focus groups with our doctors and nurses, and we're ready for our 120 miles per hour sprint to bring this product to market as quickly as we can. Now we need your help, and fundraising is a critical part of this. Swiss Precision will use the efficiency of Start Engine to boost this process immediately because more variants are coming. Now is the time for us to ramp up and push even harder with your financial help to achieve our goals and mission to help healthcare providers, their patients, and their family members. Come and invest with us, and together we can change the world and slow these deadly bacteria and viruses that are affecting us all today.